Everyone, and welcome back to Habib's English Academy. In our today's class, we are going to learn something that relates to our environment. This topic relates to CSS, PCS, PMS, and other competitive examinations. And in this essay and this lecture, we'll be discussing the decline in agricultural production. The decline in agricultural production, CSS, PCS, PMS, and other competitive examinations. Introduction. The decline in agricultural production is a pressing concern globally. It is not only in a particular area or particular country, but it is the problem and concern of all the world. The decline in the agricultural productivity or production means that the agricultural products are not growing as it was seen in the previous years. It was growing, and the main reason why agricultural production is going back is that because of climate disasters and the change in the precipitation and humidity methods of the planet, these things are occurring. One major factor contributing to this decline is a slowdown in agricultural productivity growth. Because of the slowdown in agricultural productivity growth, this is happening that the agricultural production is less. One other major factor, I think more than this, is the climate change. When the heat is increasing, the temperatures are ever increasing. Whether it is temperature going up or temperature going down, there are extreme temperatures because of which the agricultural production is very low throughout the world, and it is a global concern. Climate change impacts. I told previously that climate change is affecting it very much. And what are its impacts? Number one, rising temperatures. Temperatures are rising very much. It is becoming very hot, very cold, and because of this thing, there is not uniformity throughout the world about the agriculture. Some crops like wheat, oats, barley, etc. need a proper temperature for growing. If they are not provided naturally with the proper temperature, they cannot grow well, and therefore there will be decline in the agricultural production. Number two, changing precipitation patterns. The precipitation patterns, the way that the air has humidity in it, those patterns are also changing, because of which there is a lot of decline in the agricultural production. Number three, increased frequency of extreme weather. Weather is becoming so much extreme. Whether it becomes hot or cold, it becomes extreme. And because of the extreme in the weather temperature, this thing happens. Number four, decreased crop yields. The crops they are decreased and the yields are coming less. Number five, heat stress. Animals as well as the human beings have heat stress. They think that if it will be too much hot, what will happen, or if it is during the hot season, so they think about it and they cannot eat well. They have no appetite, they cannot eat well, they cannot drink well, and because of which the animals cannot produce milk more. The cow is very sensitive to the heat stress, and because of which it cannot eat well, and definitely when it doesn't eat well, it will not produce as much milk. And number six, soil erosion. Because of soil erosion, most of the soil goes, and why soil erosion happens, it is because there are a lot of rains and all the soil goes, and what remains is the sand, and in sand the crops cannot be better yielding. Next one is consequences and solutions. What are the consequences and what can we do? The consequences of less production in the production in agriculture is higher food prices. There will be less food, the prices of the food will be higher. Number two, increased greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases will be more. Some crops can have benefit from them, but most of the crops will be having bad impacts of it. Number three, reduced food security. There will be less food security also. Now, what steps should we take in order to keep the agricultural production better? Number one, increase agricultural productivity. At all places, the agricultural productivity should be increased. Number 2, implement climate smart agriculture. There should be such climate strategies that should be climate smart. Number 3, reduce waste and improve efficiency. Waste should be reduced and efficiency should be improved more and more. So this was our today's topic, in which we discussed the decline in agricultural production and what can we do to improve it. Thank you so much.